How to open a Bybit account. Hi everyone! Today, I'm going to show you how to open a Bybit account, a highly popular cryptocurrency derivatives trading platform, perfect for those looking to maximize their profits in the crypto market. To open an account and get attractive offers from Bybit, visit coinaz.net/Bybit. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open a Bybit account. Let's get started. This is the interface after accessing Bybit. You can open a Bybit account using your email or phone number. I'll use email. For the password, please note that it must be between 8 and 30 characters long, contain at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, and one number. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. Click Get My Welcome Gifts. Please slide to complete the puzzle. Bybit has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the email Bybit sent me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the Bybit email. This is the security code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. To receive a $50 welcome bonus, you need to verify your identity, deposit funds, and start trading. Click Get Verified now. Select your current country of residence. Click here to confirm information. Then click Confirm. Next, you need to upload your identity verification document. Click Verify. Please select your country, region of issue, and document type. For document type, you can choose ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence permit. I'll choose ID card. Click Continue. These are some mandatory requirements for uploading photos. Please read them carefully. Click Continue. Click Next. Click Allow to use the camera. Place your document within the frame for verification. Next, you need to verify your face. Click Start. Your document has been successfully submitted. You will be notified once the review process is complete. Next, I'll guide you on how to secure your account. Click on this icon. Then click Account. Click on the Security section. Here, there are several different authentication methods for you to choose from. I'll choose Google Authentication. Click Settings. A verification code has been sent to your email. Please go to your email to get the code and enter it here. Next, you need to download Google Authenticator to your phone. Now I'll perform the steps on my phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click on this icon. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. Click Add a code. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Click Allow to let Authenticator use your camera and start scanning the code. This is the Google Authenticator code. Now, go back to the Bybit website on your computer. Enter the Google Authenticator code here. Click Confirm. So, my Google security authentication process has been successful. Goodbye, and see you all in the next videos.